Hello and welcome to The Drift. I'm your host, Sierra Goodwill, and one of the many things we love about New England is its rich boat building history. On our Boat Build segment, our host, John Methia, introduces us to the builders and artisans of New England boat building. Today, John is at Coastal Boat Works in Tiverton, Rhode Island, checking in on the progress of our ongoing 30-foot Downeast cruiser build. More and more Downeast-style boats are being powered by outboards, and ours will be as well. Billy is working on a unique outboard buoyancy bracket that'll keep our power dry and well mounted.
Hey, how are you doing?
Oh, you need a hand with that, man?
Yeah, would you mind? I was gonna flip it up.
Let's flip it up. Boy, this is coming along. Oh, wow. All right. So when you said you bolted this baby to the transom, you bolted to the transom.
Absolutely.
Look at that. Let me come on this side with you.
Leave it as is here.
Wow.
But this is
That's
to
solid.
ensure that when you get a lot of weight on here, you're not gonna pull this off.
All right.
You gotta remember, this is only on with one laminate. It's only as strong as the bond that we make the.
What do you mean it's only on with one laminate?
It's only as strong as the first layup you put up against the boat.
Okay.
So you can't just rely on that. You gotta bolt it. We build the box using a mold. We take the mold away, we trim it, and then we put our platform in, bolt it up, make our swim platform.
Okay.
And then that's it.
So nothing goes in here. This stays empty.
This stays empty.
All right. How many layups on this?
There is 18 total layups.
Okay. So, wow. And if you look at this, you've got 1, 2, 3 pieces of 3/4 inch.
Plus the thickness of the back.
So what is this? This is
pure fiberglass.
This is pure fiberglass.
Right.
So you've got like 3/4 of an inch of pure fiberglass, and then you've got 3 pieces of 3/4 inch ply,
Right.
laminated over.
Right.
So this makes the box. It follows out the contour of the hull.
Right.
All right, and this is additional flotation. You've done the math on the engine weight. Okay, so tell me about this piece.
Well, this piece does all the work. Engines are back here. They're pulling on it like this.
Right.
Okay. So we're going to be glassing from here to here.
Oh, I see. So this gets all glassed in there.
Right.
We can't hinge this? Give me some storage in here?
No.
No. All right, we'll leave that alone.
No, and then we glass up there, and then we
Okay.
glass underneath all the areas that
Right.
all the seams. And this acts like a huge gusset.
A what?
A huge gusset.
It's a
The
gusset.
gusset ties this into this,
Okay.
into the box. As soon as we get this done, we'll actually be ready to spray the color on the boat.
That's a
We
good
need
good
to finish
size.
this, and we need to finish the cutout. And then we'll be ready for paint. Where this boat needs to be rugged because we're hanging, 1,000+ pounds off.
Yeah,
the back.
yeah, I've noticed this. You've got
I have 3 laminates similar to this.
3 laminates here
Right.
in the transom.
And that's also tied into the deck. So the deck and the stringers. So when this is pulling on everything.
Okay.
And that's what you want. Because if you think about it, this is the pivot point when this goes down in a wave and the bow comes way up.
Right.
Or vice versa. This has got to be able to handle that kind of weight hanging
Okay.
off.
Great work. Love it.
That right there is quality craftsmanship, amazing attention to detail. You can find the full Downeast cruiser build on the Boat Build series at driftsociably.com and at Drift Sociably on social media.